subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme is all set to launch its new smartphone under C series called Realme C11. And before the official launch, the upcoming phone was listed on Malaysian e-commerce site Lazada that shows the renders of the phone, including some key specifications, but unfortunately, the pricing details were not revealed. According to the listing, the Realme C11 will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will support a dual camera setup in a squarish module, including LED flash, and it will support a super nightscape mode for low light photography. The dual rear cameras will include 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel secondary camera. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by latest MediaTek Helio G35 chipset. The smartphone is listed to pack with 2 or 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, along with the dedicated microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top. The device will come equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that will charge through a micro USB port, and it will support face unlock system for authentication. Additionally, the listing also suggests the phone to come in mint green and paper grey color options. Now, talking about the release date. The Realme C11 is scheduled to launch in Malaysia on June 30th, and according to Lazada site, the flash sale will begin on July 1st. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Realme C11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.